Hi everybody, so today we got this fantastic villa. It's a 2-bedroomed and we are on Sector D. We are on an urbanisation called Camposol. We are 20 minutes from the port of Mazarrón and we are here on the Costa.Calida. So let me take you inside and we have a look around. So this is the villa in question, guys, and it's absolutely beautiful and the pool is to die for, I got to say. So we have a lovely sunny day here. We have a sliding gate, as you can see. And there is a little bit of remedial work to be done there, but it's just a bit of finishing off. But this is an absolute dream of a house. Okay, you've got this absolutely fantastic pool there. Outside lounging. And there is a fantastic underbuild for all you men who like an underbuild. There is a shower here, and just up these steps comes up to a beautiful terrace. Now there's lovely balustrades leading up to the terrace, and just up that other stairs it leads up to the rooftop solarium. So here on the terrace it looks over those beautiful mountain views over there and that pool. So you got some lounging here, you got your barbecue down this other end. I'll just bring you down. You got a table there that you can sit and have your lunch or your breakfast in the morning. And I'll just show you this pool. So you're looking over this wonderful pool. Okay, you have a parking space just at the other end there. And if I just pan around quickly, I can show you the beautiful mountain views over there. We will have some lovely views from this terrace just over there, and we'll have a better look at those views when we're up on the rooftop solarium. Okay, so let us take you inside into this beautiful home. It is a Fortuna, it's 2 bedrooms. We'll have a look inside. Inside the house now, you can see it's quite a long lounge area. You have your aircon and you have 2 ceiling lights and fans there. Okay, down the other end, of course, you have your telephone points and your TV points. I'm just going to give you another angle to this room. You have 2 windows in here and it's quite a long lounge. Okay. So through this archway is the 2 bedrooms and a bathroom. So I'm going to take you in there first. And the first bedroom is the second bedroom, really. It's the guest room. So you have twin beds in here. You can fit a double bed in here quite easily. And you've got aircon. You have wreckers and blackout blinds on the windows. And you have a ceiling fan above. A different angle of the room shows an integrated wardrobe with overhead storage and sliding doors with your double wardrobe. Okay, I'm going to take you through now and we look at the family bathroom. So just in here is your family bathroom. You have a WC, sink and pedestal, a bidet and a bath. You also have a shower attachment. Now this bathroom is tiled from ceiling to floor, and just overhead the door there you have an overhead heater. Okay, just behind the door you have a towel rail and you have your shaving socket and a switch and a nice decorative mirror just over the sink there. You've also got a frosted glass window. So just in here is the master bedroom. So in the master bedroom you have a ceiling light and fan and you have aircon. You've also got blackout blinds there and wreckers on the windows. You've got insect screens and wonderful views of the mountains beyond. Your switches and sockets on either side of the bed there. And just there where that covering is, that is your double wardrobe there. Okay, you've also got switches and sockets just there by the drawers for TV. So if you want to put a TV up there, you could. Okay, so let me take you through. Now, so just here is your dining room, and it has a table and 4 chairs. You could easily fit a table with 6 chairs in here, quite easy. And just in here is your kitchen. You could put some bar stools just here in the bar area, or take this wall out altogether. You have quite a good sized kitchen here. You've got plenty of top and base units. You've got electric oven, electric hob, your washing machine and your sink and drainer. You've also got your fridge freezer in there, all the essentials for a kitchen. So I'm just going to pan around. You can see where the dining area is. If you took this wall out, it would make it a bit more spacious. Okay, so I'm going to take you out through the back and just show you around the back area. Obviously, as you've seen, the pool is to the front. So you've got a nice shaded area here. If you tiled all that then, and you could put a table and chairs out here, so in those really hot summer days, you would have a nice shaded area. Got a lovely lemon tree there, your ice and a slice for your gin and tonic, and you got some lovely mature plants there as well. You've also got your boiler on the outside. You got your dusk to dawn light up there as well. So let me take you inside now. I'm going to go through the house, and I'm going to bring you up to the side to show you the rooftop solarium. You have some spectacular views from the rooftop. I'll just bring you around there. You can hear some work going on. That's just the beep beep of a tractor or a truck. So I'll see you at the top of the stairs, guys. So up here you have your rooftop solarium. You could put grass down if you want, but looks like it's all been newly redone anyway. But you could put grass down here, put a hot tub up here if you wanted, some lounges for private sunbathing. If you see what I see some fantastic views across the valley there. Can you see all those mountains? Absolutely beautiful. Fantastic views right across. So it's quite a spacious area up here, as you can see. And I'm going to take you downstairs. So what do you guys think of this property? This could be someone's dream home here in Spain. And of course at the bottom there you can see your parking, off-road parking. So guys, what do you think of this property? This is absolutely fabulous. It has a great pool and it has that really large underbuild in there as well. So that underbuild is large enough just for storage, or you could reform it. Okay, it's a 2-bedroom Fortuna and it's beautifully laid out. Has fabulous views across the valley. So if you're interested, do contact info@lettoseltobuy.com, and don't forget to share on your Instagram, your Facebook, whatever you use as social media, because somebody out there would just love this property. So until the next time, take care. See you guys again. Bye bye.